Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Media Encoder to convert MOV files to MP4. This process is incredibly useful for ensuring your videos are compatible with a wider range of devices and platforms. Adobe Media Encoder offers a robust and efficient way to handle these conversions, making it a go-to tool for many video professionals and enthusiasts. We'll go through each step, from importing your files to customizing your export settings, and finally, starting the conversion, ensuring you get high-quality MP4s every time. To begin, open Adobe Media Encoder and locate the Queue panel. You can easily add your MOV files by dragging and dropping them directly into this panel. Once your files are in the queue, you'll need to select the output format. For MP4, the standard choice is H.264. You can then choose from various presets or customize your settings to match your specific needs, ensuring your video is ready for its next destination. Now, let's fine-tune your export settings. Click on the Format or Preset to open the Export Settings dialog. Here, you can adjust crucial parameters such as resolution, frame rate, and bitrate for both video and audio. It's important to set your output path to a convenient location on your computer. For excellent quality, consider using a preset like Match Source High Bitrate. Always review your selections to ensure they align with your project's requirements before proceeding. With all your settings confirmed and ready, it's time to start the conversion. Simply click the prominent green Start Queue button, usually located at the top right of the Queue panel. Adobe Media Encoder will then begin processing your MOV files into the MP4 format. You can monitor the progress of each file directly within the queue. Once completed, your newly converted MP4 videos will be waiting for you in the output folder you specified earlier, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.